You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting word, pronounced in English as windy. Windy, when there's a lot of wind, a lot of air movement, as in a windy day, for example. Today is a windy day, not windy, windy. Stress on the first syllable, the win syllable, windy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.